Next.
Next Pawi. Nak tekan link ke? Tekan dah sini.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rinjabadi.
Hi.
I'm from
Salam.
the Architects today, and I
nampak well prepared.
studio.
Oh.
Hey guys,
Pakai tali
first I
pinggang.
want to give a big thanks to my
Boleh tahu katai.
especially studio master AR Fadli and Madam Liana, Madam Shahila, Madam Elina, and Madam Madiha. And I want also give a thanks to my friends, my fellow friends, Excellent Studio, because help me.
Oh, dia mention kita lah.
Some favor. Thank you.
Welcome.
During my first semester, which is my last semester,
So smart.
the first yesterday, have a final project which is individual mobile studio. Okay, let me explain a bit about our studio part. First, we must do the studio part and fit only 1% only. Okay, second, we must do in about 1.8
Cuba buka subtitle back.
length and 1.5 meter wide. Okay, third is we can do our studio part using any material that's suitable to our studio part. Okay, this is my studio part, and
Wow.
I want to explain about my studio part.
Cantiknya.
First, I want to explain about the issue.
Jujurnya reaction kau.
Students don't want any disturbance during their study, which means they need a privacy. Second, students want a space for multi-functional space for their study, which is they need a comfort. Third, students need space for their belongings, which is they need a safety. Okay. Then, my NAQLI is أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ربنا ما خلقت هذا باطلا سبحانك فقنا عذاب النار. The meaning is, our Lord, you have not created all of this without purpose. Glory to be with you. Protect us from punishment of the fire. For my concept, I choose metaphorical. Metaphorical is represent a person or an object, which is we take a characteristic from it, and for the simple meaning is symbolize. Okay, I got inspiration this concept from the architect Kasturi from Telecom Tower. This Telecom Tower is represent bamboo shoot to
Subtitle dia tak boleh.
Malaysia because
Tak boleh cahaya tu.
Malaysia is very popular about the bamboo shoot. Okay, for my ideation, I took the ideation from toys. Toys has a thick carapace shell, and they usually spend their day to searching food, which is they out from the shell, and they stay in the shell during night for safety. Okay, then I want to explain about the design process. This is my design process from the toy shell to become my studio part. I'd like to show you my mock-up of this studio part. This mock-up is I use
Okay.
craft pot. Okay. This mock-up I made 2 weeks before the submission date. Okay. This is my mock-up. Okay. Then I want to show you my studio pot. Okay. This is my studio pot. Studio pot is also I made from craft pot, and if you can see the loopers, I made from the the statistic. Then for the interior part, for the table, the drafting table, for the furniture interior furniture, I use the foam board, the white foam board. Okay. Then for the material at the top of my studio board, as you can see, the glass. I make the glass from the perspex, the transparent perspex, and the louvers. I made the louvers by using the craft board. Okay. Okay, this is my studio board, and at the bottom of the studio board, I want to put the other wheel. Okay. Okay, for this project, I have drawn 9 drawing, which is axonometry, 1 point perspective, floor plan, section XX, section YY, front elevation, rear elevation, right elevation, and the last one is left elevation. Okay. My studio board, as you can see, the axonometric view, you can see my studio board have a geometrical shape, which is the triangle shape, the square shape, any geometrical shape. Then I use this geometrical shape because I don't want to copy one-to-one from the shell become my studio board. I derive from the shell become this geometrical shape become my studio board. Okay. As you can see, at the below of my studio board, I make a louvers to air ventilation because I want to the student in the studio board feel comfort and feel cool when they study in my studio board. Okay. Then for the another air ventilation at the top of my studio board, I made another louvers to the air come in and the hot air to come out from my studio board to make my studio board become cool and comfort. Okay, then you can see the glass at my top of studio board. I put the glass because I want to natural light from the outside to come into my studio board. So during the daylight, during the noon or the morning, the student they need to open the light to study in the studio board. The student just use the natural light from the outside to lighting the studio board. That is my special office studio. Okay, then you can see my studio board have the open part from the front for the window. Okay. For the window, I use open window because and on the lecture, the student can open the windows to see the lecture in front of the class. And when the student don't want to any privacy or don't want to any disturbance from the student, he can close the windows and get a privacy as long as he wants. Then for my studio board, I have two doors from the at the left and the right because at the right side, the door is for the student come and out, and for the left door, I have create a little table, a create table for the student and the lecturer communicate during the create session, and I will explain a bit more about that. Okay, I think that's all from the outside about of my studio board. Which is I can explain the interior part from the floor plan. Okay. My studio board is special because I have created the adjustable table, drafting table, because I want to the student get a perfect, comfortable during their drafting study. Then I have created the chair that very suitable for drafting table. Then I have one storage or one cabinet to the safety for the student belongings. They can the student can save their bags, their wallet in the cabinet. Then other part is I have create a create table on the left of the studio board. Okay, this create table have a foldable table, just a small, in about 15 meter cm length and 14 meter cm wide. Okay, this create table is for student put the model, put the mock-up, put the sketch on the table. For then he can communicate to the lecturer outside the studio part, and they can have a create session. So the student will have a comfortable place for create session. Okay. Behind the create table, I have made the secret cabinet, which is they can open for place their belongings and in that box. Then as you can see at the back of the studio board, I have read foldable beach bench. Beach bench is very low, and this bench I have made because I want students take a nap, rest if they tired and feel sleepy. Okay. To open this bench, we must move the chair, the drafting table, drafting chair side. Then we can open the bench, and the student can get the rest. And while the bench is open, the drafting table also must be full up, because I make this studio board to make a big space for the student to take a rest. Okay. Then as you can see, both from the bench is windows. Not the windows, but the shape is dark. Okay. I made that space is dark because when the student need a rest, they need a dark place, no light, because the student can get enough rest and perfect rest. Okay.
Session.
Mantap lah Pawi.
Portable table.
Okay, siapa nak dulu? Si aku je.
Ah,
Dia mesti
boleh.
Madam Ifah bosan.
Bukan pula ladies first lah kali ni.
Ladies first. Sila.
Duduk macam rumah sendiri. Masuk.
Cepat.
Boleh.
Okay.
Pawi dia dia punya appearance macam sangat kemas
Fahmi.
macam perempuan tu.
Fahmi.
Okay.
Lepas tu saya suka, I like dia punya drawing. Pawi sangat detail dia punya drawing, macam nampak lah macam dia belajar arkitek ni macam tak sama lah dia punya kita. Lepas tu tapi untuk aku dia punya space dia, sebab dia kata nak bagi besar, tapi untuk aku rasa dia masih padat dia punya space tu. So tapi overall dia punya drawing cantik lah, detail.
Kemas kan?
Kemas
Betul-betul.
sangat. Okay, next.
Aku lah.
Okay.
Kalau aku,
Okay.
aku memang suka. As for me, I very like Pawi's drawing because it is very detailed and yeah, you can see the clearly drafting table and the clearly anthropometry of the human figure. But for me, I think it's still like you are in kau macam dalam kau tahu Melayu, masa rasa tertutup lah, rasa tertutup lagi. Even dia dah kata dia buat louvers, dia dah buat louvers semua, tapi rasa macam masih terkongkong sebab maybe digunakan ni kot craft board, so kita tak boleh bayangkan lagi dia punya kalau dia buat material sebenar dia. Lepas tu overall lukisan memang mantap, lettering cun, presentation semua ada. Lepas tu dia macam ada letak humor lah, macam letak lawak dia macam buat lupa dia gitu kan, represent kan. Itu dia macam orang mungkin dapat maybe dia macam tak sengaja, maybe dia macam sengaja nak buat lawak kan. So aku rasa tu macam strategi dia untuk menarik balik, nak bagi audience fokus balik kat dia untuk presentation. So overall Pawi memang baik lah. Good job from Fahmi.
Okay. Lain. Baik ke Alia ke?
From my point of view, overall looking good, but maybe improve for the drawing, which put some context. Studio part is placed in our studio, so maybe we can put some the floor of the studio, or put some drafting table ke, I mean the context outside of the studio part. Anything can be.
Sure. Okay. Alia?
For me, overall it's okay. Also the drawing and the lettering. Maybe dia boleh colour sikit lah. Colour sikit untuk tambah menarik lagi. Sebab dia punya drawing semua dah okay. Lettering pun lawa. Itulah. Cuma maybe dia punya design ni macam itulah macam terkongkong lah, macam korang cakap tadi. So apa lagi appearance dia pun okay. Kemas tu je.
Yep. So for me, I think like his presentation. Okay, first we talk about the way he's tried to present lah, kan. Like, okay, first we can see that he has a spirit, kan. Mula dia semangat, kan. Then we can see the flow after several minutes, dia become low sikit. Then dia jadi macam dia punya graf penyampaian tu macam ada naik, lepas tu dia turun. Lepas tu turun, lepas tu last baru naik balik. Aku tak tahu lah, maybe dia dah penat cut up kan. So lama-lama dia jadi macam, lantak lah. Jadi slow sikit kan punya penyampaian. So dia punya appearance dia tu memang mantap lah kan. Memang sesuai untuk orang yang present. Dengan rambut dia yang siap dipotong kemas. Memang aku suka lah appearance dia. Macam tu lah. Kalau dia butangkan collar dia tu sampai atas memang lagi mantap lah. Lepas tu about dia punya board dia tu aku rasa dia kurang warna sikit lah, kurang warna. Tapi dia punya lukisan overall memang aku tak boleh cakap apalah, nak comparekan dengan aku punya memang cloud lah aku punya. Macam nelayan bawa, nelayan cari rezeki untuk anak-anak, cloud. So dia punya tulisan tu aku tak nak komen lah. Cuma dia kena tambah konteks lah, konteks dekat dia punya tu, macam yang Adam buat tadi. Adam at least ada pokok kan, even pokok ada yang ni lain, yang tu lain kan. Tapi still ada konteks tu. So mungkin kalau dia letak konteks kat belakang tu tak adalah nampak kosong sangat sebab dia punya board macam terlalu clear, terlalu putih kan, kita boleh tengok. But overall memang itulah mantap. Saya kasih 5 bintang lah Kak Fawi. Okay.
Ahmad sudah orang
So,
keempat.
Ahmad keempat untuk hari ni. Lepas ni siapa? Lepas ni Cuna. Peja.